Hey, I'm going to be doing another tutorial from the new line. Generally when we do photos for the line, I try to do a simple wrap, which really shows the scarf nicely. And we try to do wraps that feel accessible for people looking at it. We don't want someone looking at the photo and being like, oh, that looks amazing, but I could never do that. So I try to stick to things that are a little more simple. And oh my gosh, this scarf is amazing. Okay, you can see it on. Let's get it on. Okay, I'm gonna do a basic beginner's look. It's double-sided. It's so nice. Okay. There we go. It's gonna be the beginner's look. I am going to show the darker side when I bring it up and over. There we go. Okay, and then we have this gorgeous shiny part here. And now, because I do really want to show the shiny part, it's gonna be like a reverse fan wrap. So I'm gonna basically bring it out one more time. Oh my gosh, I forgot what this wrap is called, but it's similar to one of the wraps that we have, except it's not. I'm not gonna be pulling this tight. I'm gonna be leaving it out like this, and then tucking this last part in at the back. There we go.